Hi everyone, in this short video, we will be discussing how yoga can help reduce stress. Stress is a common issue that affects many people in today's fast-paced world. It can have negative effects on both physical and mental health, causing symptoms such as anxiety, depression, and fatigue. However, practicing yoga has been shown to be an effective way to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. One of the key ways yoga helps to reduce stress is through its impact on the nervous system. The practice of yoga helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response in the body. This response helps to reduce stress levels, calm the mind, and improve overall feelings of well-being. In addition to its impact on the nervous system, yoga also helps to reduce stress through its physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques. The physical postures help to release tension in the body, while the breathing exercises and meditation techniques help to calm the mind. These elements combined help to create a sense of peace and relaxation, reducing stress levels and improving overall well-being. Yoga can also be a great form of exercise, which has been shown to help reduce stress levels. Exercise helps to increase the production of endorphins, which are the body's natural mood-boosting chemicals. This can help to reduce symptoms of stress and improve overall mental health. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to reduce stress, give yoga a try. With its physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques, yoga can help to calm the mind and reduce stress levels, promoting overall well-being and a sense of peace.